Welcome back to the sneak peek of lesson 16 in our course ChatGPT for Credit Repair. This is where medical bills are the topic of discussion. So in this lesson, we're going to uncover the intricacies of medical bills, including delinquencies and collections, and of course their impact on credit scores. You're going to learn how to compose powerful letters that address medical bills from healthcare providers effectively. You'll master crafting letters for credit bureaus and healthcare providers, ensuring just alignment with specific guidelines. We'll also explore strategies for fair billing practices and understanding medical billing codes. Now, lesson 16 is your toolkit for challenging the world of medical bills. Now, with AI and ChatGPT by your side, you'll be able to craft impactful dispute letters, negotiate resolutions, and make real differences in your clients' lives. So are you ready to become a wizard in removing medical bills? Go ahead and enroll in our course today. The link to enroll is down below, and I will see you on the other side.